Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, what's up? My name is vianney.strick. Thank you so much for being here. So today I decided to show you guys a soft glam for Valentine's Day. I know you guys see a lot of makeup on my face, but I wanted to show you guys how to do this eyeshadow that's really festive for Valentine's Day, but it's not super hard. I don't have falsies on. I don't even have eyeliner on. So I wanted to show you guys that you can still get glam without having to cut the crease and do a wing liner and put false lashes. Like, you can still do it. And I just wanted to show you guys how I would do it and how I'm gonna do my makeup for Valentine's Day. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, you know what to do. Please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join my squad. So today, to make the video a lot easier, I did make it a quick voiceover, so I really hope that you guys enjoy. I love you. Alrighty guys, so first I'm going to start out with a bare face, and I do have my eyebrows done. Now I'm first going to take the Gerard Cosmetics lip plumper, and I'm going to put that on my lips and just let it set while I do my makeup. So to start out, I will be priming my eyelids with some concealer. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer. So I'm first gonna blend it out with a brush, and while I'm at it, I'm just gonna carve my brows to make them nice and sharp. And then I also like to go back in with a sponge and just smooth it out, and I don't like to set my concealer. I like to keep it pretty tacky. So today we are going to be using the Huda Beauty Nude palette, and I'm first gonna go in with the shade Secret, which is that soft pink. And I'm just going to take that on a very fluffy brush. We are going to be doing a pretty simple look today. It's just going to be all about gradients. So I'm first going in with this light pink, and like I said, really blending it really nice. And then I'm going to go in with a darker pink, and this is actually the shade Teddy. And what I'm going to do is take it with a smaller, more condensed brush, and I'm going to put it right under that first shade, and it's really going to give some definition into the eyes. And I'm also putting it a little bit on the outer corner because we will be going in with a darker shade. Okay, and now with the shade Love Bite, I'm going to take it in an even smaller brush, and I'm just going to put it over the shade Teddy. This will make it a lot deeper and also give it more of a purple hue, and this will be like the darker shade that we'll use. It's really simple, and with these mattes, you can really just blend them all together. With the shade Play, I'm going to do like a cut crease, but it's really simple because all I'm doing is cutting half of the crease with my eyeshadow, not with concealer. So you really can't mess this one up. I just really wanted to bring light into the inside of my eyes. And now with the other brush, no additional product, I'm just going to blend out the edges to make it look a lot softer. And lastly, with the shade Bare, I'm just going to highlight my brow bone. This will make the brows pop more, and also the shades under. Now, to keep the look a little bit soft, we are going to skip out on eyeliner, and I'm going to go back to the shade Love Bite, but this time I'm going to use an angled brush, and I'm just going to line my eyes as if it were eyeliner, just to give my eyes some definition, but not overdoing it. So today we are not going to use falsies. I'm actually going to use my favorite mascara at the moment, which is the Benefit BADgal Bang Mascara. And just use your favorite mascara, give it a couple coats, and since we did use eyeshadow instead of eyeliner, it's really going to make your eyelashes pop. I do have some exciting products to show you guys for primers. These are the PUR 4-in-1 correcting primers. I will be using the Energize and Rescue. They do have a redness reducer, a dark spot corrector, prime and perfect, and hydrate and radiance. PUR sent these to me in PR, and thank you so much, PUR, because I am absolutely loving the Energize and Rescue. It's really, really hydrating, and it makes your skin so tacky. I love it. And for foundation, I'm using one of my favorite, and it's drugstore. It's the Covergirl truBLEND Matte Made. I like to use 2 pumps, and to get that perfect base finish, I do like to dot it on my face first. Then I like to stipple it with a flat kabuki brush, and to end it, I do like to go in with a sponge and really get any streaks and marks. By the way, this is the Wet n Wild Beauty Sponge, and it is really, really nice and very affordable. So for concealer, I'll be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop and the Milani Conceal and Perfect. These two together have been my favorite. They provide so much coverage and so much highlight. So I am going to mix them both and put them under my eyes, on my nose, and on my chin. And I'm going to go ahead and blend it out with my sponge. As you guys can see, they like really brighten. I really love the coverage. And to set the eyes, I'll be using my favorite powder, which is the Maybelline Fit Me powder. And I'm just using this Sigma brush to put under my eyes, anywhere that I highlighted. And then I also like to set around my mouth so I don't get any creases. So now I'm going to contour with one of my favorite contour palettes right now. This is the AOA Shot Miss A contour palette. It is only $6, and I am using that middle shade to chisel out my cheekbones. And to bronze, I'll be using the best bronzer ever. This is the Butter Bronzer. I do have it in the shade Deep, and I'm just going to put that over my contour as well as my forehead and my temples. So for the lower lash line, I'm going in again with Love Bite and using it on the outer corner of my eyes. I don't like going in too much because I want to keep the eyes looking really open. And then I'm going to take those two pink shades that I'm showing you guys, which is Secret and Teddy, and I'm really just going to blow that out. I will be using some nude liner. This is the Rimmel Scandaleyes eyeliner in the shade Nude, which is one of my favorites. And I'm going to put that in my waterline to keep the eyes open, and then putting in some mascara at the bottom. So we'll be using one of the shimmer shades, which is called Crave, and I'm just going to put that as my inner corner highlight. It looks really, really beautiful, very ethereal looking. So for blush, I'll be using the Cool palette from Morphe, and I'm going to be using those three shades that I just showed you guys. And I'm going to put that all over my cheeks, and then I also like to put some on my forehead, kind of like where my bronzer is. It just kind of ties in everything together. For highlight, I'll be using the Girlactik highlighter in the shade Bronze. This has become one of my favorite highlighters. I love the formula, the shade. It's really buttery. It's very blinding, but not too much. It really just blends into the skin. And the shade Bronze is really beautiful for medium skin tones. Okay, so now I'm going to take off that lip plumper because I am going to line my lips, and I'm using my very own lip liner from Delarza Cosmetics in the shade Squad. And I like to overline my lips because I just like the look of bigger lips, so I'm going to line them and also fill them in. This lip combo has been my favorite, like pinky nude go-to. And then I'm going to be using the Joa What a Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Peanut Butter. The formula is amazing. And I'm just going to pop that on top and blend it out with my fingers. I really like the way these two colors mixed together look. And to set my face, I'll be using my Morphe setting spray. Okay guys, this is the final result. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you enjoyed this look. I know that I like totally beat my face, but I thought it was just like a softer look. You don't need to do the full coverage that I did, but I thought for the eyeshadow, it's really simple to do. I just feel like since it's a bunch of matte colors with a bunch of pink hues, if you mess it up, you won't even be able to tell. And you can also do with blushes. I sometimes do eyeshadows with blushes, so you don't need that exact palette, and there's just a lot of affordable palettes that you can also use. And you also don't need falsies, not even on Valentine's Day. If you don't want to, just put some mascara on. And since we didn't do eyeliner, I feel like your eyelashes pop more, but you still give it a definition with like the purple. So yeah, I don't know. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was something different. Happy Valentine's Day, happy Galentine's Day, whatever you're celebrating. Just remember, you don't need a boyfriend or a girlfriend to have a good time. I have spent a lot of single Valentine's Days, and I still treated myself like Valentine's Day. It's not a day to remember that you're single. It's a day to celebrate love. So just celebrate it with the people you love, okay? And I love you guys, so I really hope you guys have an awesome day, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. No! Eyeshadow is not very hard to do. Softer Glam, because I feel like, oh my god.